Interpol don't come outside. Come talk say they don't know how Nigeria government take go kidnap Nnamdi Kanu for Kenya. Say they have no hand in rendition of Nnamdi Kanu through kidnapping way. Interpol say they don't know anything concerning this matter. Say make they know they ask them because Interpol no get hand for this Nnamdi Kanu issue. My people, it don't read though. As we they talk right now, they say that the angry Nigerians don't finally talk. Say that he call other Nigerians to wake up, may they rise to demand for justice for the things where they happen for inside this country. My people, you don't read though. Let's go and check how this incident happen. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today na the first time when they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still there here. They bring you updates back to back as they hot. My people, I want you to share this video and make sure say they follow this channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel immediately so that you no go forget and turn your notification bell. So anytime when we drop one video, you will be the first person we go to get them. My people, let's jump inside this matter. They say that the Interpol don't finally come outside, come make them publicly clear to all Nigeria. Say they no get hand for Nnamdi Kanu kidnapped from Kenya, because then they talk they arrested, but this one is not arrested. The rendition is not rendition. This is a pure kidnap. I know say this Facebook and others things they go like to frustrate this video, but I go talk them the way it be because they know they like truth. You can have your platform and they resisted us for saying the truth or saying things the way it is. Later they will say it's a hate speech, this and blah blah blah, but they don't fucking care. We'll say the truth the way it is. Nnamdi Kanu was adopted in Kenya by Nigeria government, and the court set him free. Till today, they still holding Nnamdi Kanu for no reason. And look at what happened in Uzunwala. We're going to bring up the video to show you people what Funani are doing. The governor of Enugu State, Governor Mba, you people, when the law of karma will rise up against you people, you will ask, did I do bad to become the governor of these people? That's your witchcraft. The day you will finally die, everybody's eyes will open and people will rise to demand for justice for everything people have done. You will understand. I want to show you this video for you to hear what Interpol talk in this particular video.
AIG, there are not a few who believe that the pace at which the Interpol International and Interpol Nigeria are working is quite interesting. They point to the fact that Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed group, IPOB, it didn't take long for them to grab him from the same Kenya and get him down to Nigeria, and he's facing justice now. That's why is this like a case of we're following process, diplomatic channels, etc., etc.
Believe you me, I want to tell you I don't know what you are talking about. All I know.
You seems not to know exactly what we are talking about here.
No. You are bringing an issue that Interpol is not aware of. You know, let me define the role of Interpol so that you can understand. Interpol is an international police organization that assists law enforcement agencies within the 196 countries to look for a fugitive that runs or is hiding. And if you look at all the other fugitives that are brought to face justice in Nigeria, they have the link, those who are involved with Interpol. So I don't know I don't want to talk about issue of Kanu, who brought him back to Nigeria. I'm not aware how he was brought back to Nigeria or how he came into Nigeria. Interpol is not aware. We stated this long time ago, and we made it categorically clear. So it's not a question. There are what we call police-to-police relationship. International police cooperation. Another police, it does not necessarily bring Interpol.
Okay.
If one police and another exchange a suspect is running from them, they can have an international police cooperation that out of the scope of Interpol.
Okay.
But however, if a notice is given to an individual, like blue notices, when the inmates in Kuje prison escaped, we did a biometric capture of those suspects. And we shared it with international communities. We shared it with our law enforcement agencies.
My people, as you don't watch am o, na so we still hear am. Oya, may you come hear this one. May you dey hear wetin Nigerians dey talk. The worst part is that this government no know how angry people is. Watch this video.
The Nigerian masses, Labour Union Force, and other reputable trade unions have lambasted the government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu in the last 1 year, cabinet as a somersaulting economy policies that have not yielded any goods, of course, for the masses of this country. Your take on this?
All right, I just want to say this. Good morning, Nigerians and diaspora. Good morning, Nigerians anywhere watching me for. Good morning, Nigerians. All I want to say, what do you expect from Ahmed Bola Tinubu? Somebody who is not educated. That's my question. I wonder why Nigerians are expecting magic from a man who did not go to school, from a man who is not a graduate, from a man who did not even attend the 4 walls of university. What do you expect? Of course, you expect nothing but nonsense. And that's exactly what is happening. Why is it that Nigeria will keep on shouting every day? You expect, you expect. We were Buhari government. We were shouting. The same thing brought Buhari to us. When his government shouted, he heard us. Perhaps he said if he gets there, he will repair things. Now he gets there, it's even worse than Buhari. What is wrong with Nigerians? And now, the foreign citizen is telling us to give him time. There are words I don't like here in this country. I should give him time. Me should give Tinubu time. When he has not even given himself time to do something in this country, I should give him time to repair Nigeria, to fix Nigeria. There are things that is happening in this country that is annoying to me. And I must say it. Each time I look at Nigeria, I look at Nigerians as cowards. Honestly, we are too intelligent, 419 brain, anything, but we are cowards. Because we don't know how to take action when it comes to political issue. I wish everybody has the kind of mind I have. But everybody cannot have it. Each time I look at those stupid people, the way they are just messing up this country, I'm annoyed. And that is why I keep saying something. Everybody knows me that when I talk with passion. I don't care. I don't like to speak English. I'm not an Englishman who likes to polish English. All I do is just to try to tell you the point. And to tell you what is paining me. Every time I watch in this country, people are destroying this country. Nobody's talking. Tomorrow, you will say Nigeria. One wanted to vote and said Tinubu is not the man. People were saying, shut up. Tinubu cannot take us anywhere. They say, shut up. Now Tinubu has entered. Now I told her that Tinubu is not a graduate. Tinubu is not a graduate. I repeat it. And even if I stand in front of Tinubu, I will tell him he's not a graduate. Let him prove it to me. But
he's been a graduate criteria to succeed in any governance, in governance.
It is.
In good governance.
It is, my brother. If you're a graduate, you should be able to bring in that educational level into the government. That's the truth. Let me tell you, for instance, I'm not a P2B fan, but when he was the governor of Anambra State, education, Anambra people became the best in education. Go and ask. Go and ask. That's what an intelligent and wise man does. Because he's educated. And that is the reason why he made it to that level. But you can't compare somebody who has been able all throughout his life. What does he know? To come and rule Nigeria. Rule me and you. And you are talking. And every day this country will keep complaining. As stupid as Nigeria is, let me see Tinubu after 4 years for you stupid Nigerians to go and vote him again. Let me see you vote for him again. Then I will know you are fools forever. I will know Nigeria is doomed forever. Rigging or no rigging, let us watch. Every Nigerian should be prepared. This is the time for us to take action. We have been sleeping in this country. You guys are not smart. Nigerians, you guys are cowards. How we sit down and watch somebody who's not educated misleading us? Somebody who's not educated taking us to where we are not supposed to be. And tomorrow, the same you will go and vote and let it complete his 8 years. You are a fool. This morning I'm hungry, please. This morning I'm hungry. And when I'm hungry, I like to speak my mind. We don't need to be painting Nigeria with. No. Say it the way it is. That is why I always tell people there are television stations I grant interview, not every television station. Because I am not among such people that want to paint blue to red. No, I will call white a white. And that is why I said I select the television station I talk to. I don't talk anyhow. Because I am not good at, I am pretending. I'm not a good pretender. I always want things straightforward, the way it is. But I've got to realize that the problem this country is facing, including the press, where you are somebody speaks the truth, everybody's against you. Hey, please don't say it too. Don't say it so that government will not come, so that this SS will not come. Who is SS? This is MC Grammar from around this work. I fear nobody. If you want to try my village, come and try around this work, people. You understand what I mean? Who are you? We are not people anybody can carry anyhow. So please, spare me all this your DSS. Spare me this. The country is born here. You're telling me DSS. Who is DSS? A man that has 6 feet. That will go down tomorrow. The soldiers that were killed, how many of them? 17. Have they not gone home? Where are they? They are Iraqi soldiers. The top military men. Where are they? They've gone home. So spare me that nonsense. Please. When I'm saying the facts, I hope Nigerians know I'm saying the facts. The people I'm talking to, Nigerians are listening to me, knows I'm telling them the facts. I'm not talking about coming to pretend. I've never been a pretender in my life. And I will never be a pretender. And I don't know how to pretend. That is why I say, instead of me to talk on all national TVs, I'd rather select to talk on a particular one. Because I am not the man that wants people to hail me. I am a man that speaks the truth. And if you are the man that speaks the truth, the public don't like you. I don't want your likeness. I stand for the truth. Please, at this junction, I want to say this. At this point, I want to say this. With these few words of mine, at least you all know the right thing to do now. Please, election is coming. Nigerians, be wise. Let us vote Tinubu out. If you vote Tinubu again, then you are a fool and a coward forever. Thank you very much. Until next time I call your way. My name remains MC Grammar. Take this away from me.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please, I want you to share this video as many as you can and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. The thing is that we don't have any label, as it stands now, nobody is talking genuinely for protest or to read any kind of revelation apart from that man they hold in their captivity being Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. People, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it hot.